Hi loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to beat this face into a bridal look. So to start off, I'm going to start off with my Davis eye pencil in the shade number 3. I'm going to fill in my brows, then conceal using my Illegal Pro Conceal in the shade Fawn. I'm going to outline my brow bone, then blend it out to the eyelids using a dense brush. For the upper part of my eyelid, I'm going to be using the NARS and the Fit Me foundation, Maybelline, which is my skin tone shade. I mixed the two, then I line the upper part of my brow. Using the same brush, I blend out to make my eyebrows flawless. For the eyes, I'll start with the Benai Clown White. That will be the primer for my eyeshadow. I'm using the Fleur de Nîmes eyeshadow palette. I'm using the orange shade and the dark brown shade. I tap using this dense brush, then use another brush to distribute the eyeshadow evenly. The outer corner of my eye, I will use the dark brown shade to make it a bit smoky and blend until seamless. For the eyeliner, I'm using the W7 eyeliner to make the wing line. I love a wing line in my eyes. Then I did my eyelashes off camera, but that's with the eye look, guys. Look at that. So for the skin work, I started off with this new technique that I have been using. I start off with the concealer, then blend it out. I'm using the Illegal Fawn, the same one I used for my brow bone. I'm going to blend it out. Then when I'm done, I'm going to go ahead with the contour my face, then blend it out. Then finally, the foundation that I used, just tap it around my face, then use a very fluffy brush. Then that's it. I used the loose powder on areas where I concealed my face using the concealer. I dab it around. For the lips, I'm taking the Blossom lip palette, where I'm going to be using the brown lip color, then create an ombre lip look when I'll go in with the nude shade, the Whoosh lipsticks from Blossom Makeup. Blend it out until everything is blended in. I use my brush to just clear the lines. To top it off, I'm using my lip gloss to make my lips shine. Look at that. To set everything up, I'm using the Skin Dinavia setting spray, and that's the final look, guys. Perfect for a bride. Subtle and beautiful. Mwah! See you on the next one. Bye.